We will listen to the audio of Sharon. Now we hear Sharon's voice now for the first time on this platform. Please, I beg you to share this video, make everybody listen and listen very, very careful.
My sister, since I born, now tomorrow we go complete 1 week when I take born. On Wednesday, early morning, on Tuesday night, I enter labor. Around 6 in the morning, on Wednesday, now I take born. Now I take call them. My sister, since go reach today, that boy not carry phone again. So na person will call me 1 week to before I born. They tell me say, he want maybe he picking left, maybe he picking left. He no want follow me fight again. This that. Now I say, what are the one with this side belly? He come quiet. Whether not they join will make me pass through operation, I don't know. Whether I don't know if he carry come follow me. When be say my enemy, my pikin enemy, but God change them for them. God change them for him with that girlfriend. Because you go for any bad thing to happen, they will carry you into operation room. My sister. You see here say I born. Pikin when you follow do my list for inside belle for 9 months. He come, your people call you. Mama, when you say call and say come keep quiet. No, maybe you even see you don't get atom of God, you don't even get the one when I even fair born for you when me and you got that plan to born. You don't fair even get again for the pikin. You don't get feeling for her. Because of you they said belle, you leave that pikin with me for months. You not come here as of Michelle. Come they call me 1 week ago after and say strength when I get and when is affected born first. I never get time. Okay, as you hear say I born, no matter what. Maybe even if you don't want to call me, you write come. I hear say you don't born finally. How is the baby and how you did open a different. If I leave that one safe, this boy I don't see message, I don't see call. Pikin when I knew born. No person not fit do my pikin like it's not possible. Then one talk see they don't know say their pikin never call me. Okay, now they carry their call the time. Now so me na they cheat. Now not fit talk to na pikin. Pikin when I knew born, wey you don't even know wetin wan become. Man go dey follow my pikin, they do anything, go come they follow me. It's not possible now. Wait, okay, wetin I want to happen my sister. Me used to reason now.
Please, a minute silence for Sharon. Means gentle soul rest in peace. Yeah, gentle soul rest in peace. I believe someone listen. I beg this video. I will play them again. Make una help me call Enogie we. You understand? Not be say easy, don't know these things. So easy know everything about this thing. Easy, definitely easy know all these things. You understand? He knows that this guy know they could send with this woman. And I believe it's in a plan between this guy easy. Sharon is just the innocent person in question. You understand? I say the family. I need the family. I need the mama. This guy, family. The worst part this guy. Oh God. Just listen to what this woman. I just get it with style. Now, before I go play this record again, I go play this boy video. Where would they play the good man? We see
My people, una don lis ten to this audio. Hey, wetin you never see, you never waka reach there. As I dey lis ten to this audio, may Sharon soul rest in perfect peace, my people. People dey pass through many things wey be say you no go know. Hey, you no go know. Like say this one no still come out now. We for no know say this boy wey be say na him be the father of Sharon children. Say he no even dey the life of the children. Hey! Na wow! Nothing wey we no go hear, nothing wey we no go see for this media. Pikin wey e be say when dem born, you no even tell im mama say I dey very happy, God bless you for giving me second child. According to the audio, Sharon say na dem plan to get the first one. Maybe the second one the boy was not ready, which I no know, because we no know wetin cause quarrel between dem. But no matter wetin, e don first born one for you. The second one, e say come dey do malice, e no even dey ask am how you dey, this one the other one. Hey, nothing wey Musa no go see, oh my people. So now he wan come be part of the family. They wan come into the life of those children. I no understand. He want make he come collect am for the grandmother hand. I no know. I just dey ask because you see all these things wey just dey go on so. Because normally e no suppose to dey for media. E suppose to be say na family na im go settle all this issue. But una know na the people dey think say na social media na im go settle all this issue for them. Because this late Sharon, dem no allow am make e rest. Maybe na the spirit still dey work, we no know. Make all these things for come out. Because you know, according to the boy, he say na him surname na dey for the children document. Maybe na still Sharon spirit na dey work wey we no know. I know say sometimes when person just kpai, every wahala go full ground. Dem come dey say wetin dey happen. Maybe na the person spirit na dey work. Hey, na washa o. Pikin wey be say e born call you say I don born. You even dey do malice for person wey e born. And you no be say you dey there o. The woman na abroad e dey. Even to carry phone to take call am say I'm so very happy, thank you. You know all those things, e no dey. Some women na dey suffer sha. Na im make am una dey put eye for ground before na born for man. A man wey go dey there for you, go dey use hand take dey rub your body, rub your hand, rub your belle, dey carry you like egg. Na e good pass o, not just go born because of say you wan born, let you wan do me damn well go na let you wan for here, na let you wan for there. I know say some women dem no go see here. Find somebody wey really love you with real love. No be like this one. No be like this one. Like say this audio no come out. Nobody for know wetin Sharon pass through. Ha! Na washa o. Una know when you give birth, your person, the man wey you born for, if he dey even dey call you, say go dey give you strength and power. He go dey give you know all those things. He appreciate. Not be no. Now wow, my people, make una be the judge anyway. I go drop this video for here. God bless you all. Sit down, look, na be dog with the watch. Una bye for now.